Morning, everyone. Just to provide you some update on Mapletree Industrial Trust, which is currently on trading Halt. Okay, because they are going to announce this that they are going to buy over the 60% stake of 14 data center actually located in US directly actually from either from the sponsor itself, so that there will be they will own 100% of this 14 data center that is based in US. Okay, and to me that what we feel that it is a very positive news for Mapletree Industrial Trust, as since they have changed their mandate to not only to take up industrial property, they also take their mandate so that they can go into data center aspect also. Okay, because currently everyone know that Capital DC is the only data center REIT in Singapore. So with this acquisition itself, currently the data center under Mapletree contribute about 30% of Mapletree revenue. So with this additional purchase of 60% interest on this 14 data center, the weightage of data center revenue contribute to Mapletree Industrial Trust will increase, okay, quite significantly. But what is the acquisition about and how are they going to raise the money? This is on the PDF. Actually, we'll attach and let it take a look at the same time. Okay, maybe just to see, we want to see that when they do a purchase, is it good for unit holder or bad for unit holder? So this is how we look at it. Okay, you will go down all the way down to see how are they going to finance the purchase. So here I have see that, okay, the method of financing is through an equity funds raising. Okay, but however, equity funds raising can be on placement or can be on right issues. But based on what we look at the size of they're going to do, most likely will be on a placement issue, placement, okay, rather than on right issue. We think it is better for investor at current market juncture, okay. And you see when come to placement, the price discount is actually pretty low, and there's always a cap of how much unit they can issue out, so that you not dilute too much on existing unit holder itself. Okay, and also that placement is only given to institutional investor, and institutional investor fully subscribe, oversubscribe to it. It is a positive news for this REIT itself, because the big boys are interested in the REITs. Okay, and then we look at, is this how would this acquisition affect the REIT itself? Okay, usually we will look at this one. They call a pro forma expect. Okay, from the after, you can see that before the acquisition, you are getting a dividend DPU of 12.24 cents. After they bought over 60% stake of this data center, the DPU increased by 12.66. That means it is a DPU acquisition of 3.4%. And that means actually your DPU will increase, your dividend will increase after they buy this data center, and without you forking out money to for the right issue to buy some more. Okay, and we look at NAV. The NAV now is 1.62, will further increase to 1.68. So all these are positive things for the REITs itself when they want to buy this data center. It is good for retail investor and long-term prospect. I think it is even more positive, as we know that data center will more and more become the in thing now, due to this current COVID-19, and people start to request for more of e-commerce, and data center will also be another major needs going forward in the industry. Okay, and we also want to look at the leverage itself. So the leverage is the gearing is only increased marginally from 37.6 to 38.7. Actually, it's only increased marginally. Okay, and with this marginal increase, currently the gearing is capped at 50% by MAS. So we can see that even if you go to 45%, there's still a big headroom for Mapletree Industrial Trust to continue to grow and to continue to make future acquisitions involved. So all in all, what we view about this purchase itself, okay, you can see all this. These are all the information. Okay, all in all, what you can feel about this purchase itself, I think we feel that it is a very positive move by Mapletree Industrial Trust, and we feel that there may be more upside on these REITs going forward. Okay, however, do take note, okay, don't rush to buy in after the trading halt is over, because the price may shoot up too fast. Okay, do monitor on this and wait for opportunity you really want to get this REIT. Okay, that's all for me today. Thank you everybody for watching this video.